Welcome to our channel. We are Technic Force and we help grow your business online. Please hit the subscribe button to get more updates. How to promote Telegram channel. Telegram is a WhatsApp alternative that offers a wide range of interesting features. For instance, the app allows you to go beyond the scope of communicating with your immediate contacts by enabling you to reach people beyond these limits. This can be done via channels. What are Telegram channels? Telegram channels allow the broadcasting public messages to large audiences. They can be powerful tools, especially for brands that want to easily send their subscribers messages, videos, images, and more. Telegram channels can have unlimited subscribers. You can grow your channel on Telegram if you're promoted to create awareness. For new Telegram channels, you can promote your channel with your friends, your social network, and ask them to join your channel to add numbers to your subscribers as you work on promoting your channel gradually. First, manually add contacts. Telegram allows you to add and invite 200 members to your Telegram channel. If you have contacts who are using Telegram, you can use it to invite people to your channel. The first 200 people that you invite are free. So after inviting 200 people, you can no longer use this option. You can also ask your contacts to share the link with their friends. This can help promote your Telegram channel through your contacts network. Next, share your Telegram on social media. If you have built communities on your social media account, you can share the link to your Telegram channel as posts. You can also share it in your page's profile. Just add a link on the About section so that people can copy the link and discover your channel on Telegram. Your followers who are interested too about the content that you share are more likely to join your channel on Telegram. You can also share a post that promotes a giveaway. This will attract more people to join the giveaway. If you include joining your Telegram channel in your giveaway mechanics, people are more likely to join your Telegram channel. They will be aware that you have a Telegram channel, and they can also invite their friends to join the giveaway, increasing your subscribers. Next, add your channel on Telegram catalog websites. People can search for Telegram channels on catalog websites that show a list of Telegram groups and channels. You can search on catalog websites so you can submit your channel on multiple websites. Now let's try to use this website, bestoftelegram.com. Go to the Best Channel section and look for the category that best suits your channel. Take note of that category. Then look for a way to submit your Telegram channel. Now type in the details that is relevant to your channel. Type in the email, the channel link, choose the channel category and write the description of your channel. Now send the details and wait until your channel is uploaded in their catalog. Next, promote on channels discussion groups. And you can promote your channel on other Telegram channels as well. You can look for channels that are of the same niche as your channel. If a channel has reached thousands of subscribers, see if they have a discussion chat. If these people are active in the discussion group, they might view your message about promoting your channel's link. They can easily click on the link, discover and learn about your channel. Next, promote a niche relevant groups. Look for Telegram groups that you can join. You can use the catalog websites to look for Telegram groups that can be relevant to your niche. Once you find groups, you can engage with the group members, make friends with the Telegram members in that group. Then later, you can share the link to your channel. Telegram channels can have relevant and valuable content. People who are subscribed can benefit from the content the channels share. But the channel's content won't reach its target audience if it does not have enough Telegram subscribers. Admin should promote the channels properly to gain more subscribers. And that's it. Before we end, let me introduce to you the world's fastest and 100% mobile responsive builder. Create landing pages, funnels, lead pages, memberships, corporate sites, and more in just a few clicks. Build your successful online business without breaking a sweat. Create beautiful web pages. Click and modify, no coding required. Create funnels with upsells, downsells, and order bumps. Grab leads and send emails. Supports all major payment gateways and memberships. 30+ ready-made funnel and opt-in templates. Email marketing using inbuilt autoresponder. Membership system to create free or paid memberships. Easy one-click install, no coding or knowledge of hosting required. So get CloudFunnels now. Just go to yournextfunnel.in. I hope you find this video helpful, and thanks for watching.